Every day, millions of bags travel across a vast and complex global airports and baggage ecosystem. To keep operations moving smoothly, baggage messages need to be fast, reliable, and secure. Yet, much of the industry still relies on decades-old messaging formats that limit data, slow innovation, and increase operational cost and complexity. The industry is now shifting to a new modern baggage messaging standard named BCS, enabling richer, real-time data to support smarter operations. But airlines, airports, and ground handlers evolve at different speeds. This creates a fundamental question. How can everyone modernize without losing interoperability? Meet IATA Baggage Community System, the community platform that enables the entire industry to modernize baggage messaging smoothly and without disruption. BCS delivers a cost-effective, secure, internet-based messaging layer, replacing the outdated and expensive teletype networks used for decades. BCS, through its directory service, will allow a plug-and-play, simplified partner identification, accelerating onboarding, and streamlining integration without hurdle. BCS also supports message conversion, allowing legacy baggage messages to speak seamlessly with modern ones, and vice versa. At its core, BCS acts as a baggage message broker, ensuring reliable delivery, standardization, and interoperability across the global baggage ecosystem. Beyond messaging, BCS provides data analytics for a smarter business decision and helps airlines measure their IATA Resolution 753 compliance in real time. By standardizing and brokering baggage messages, BCS improves data reliability, end-to-end traceability across the baggage journey, and improves security by encrypting sensitive and personal data. BCS also enables richer data exchange, such as baggage photo, screening images, and geolocation, increasing transparency and helping reduce mishandling and fraud. BCS is more than a messaging platform. It's a foundational enabler for next-generation baggage innovations, supporting the industry's transition to modern airline retailing and delivery with order. By enabling standardized, secured, and scalable data exchange, BCS allows new capabilities to be introduced seamlessly as the industry evolves. Modern baggage messaging is no longer a future vision. It's happening now. BCS provides a practical, interoperable path to get there without disrupting your existing operations. To explore real operational use cases and get the BCS Ready Partner Badge, request a demo or contact Baggage Services at IATA.org.